Wow. Oh, these birds are since when do I even... Sentient beings. Can't see him at all. He's coming. He's moving. Wait, wait. Hi there. Hello. Now smile and wave. Smile and wave, please. Good job. There you go. He eats vegetables, doesn't he? What is that? Is that Japanese? Chinese? What? Oh my god, those are the winning lottery tickets right there. Oh my god, how does he know? You eat Chinese food, huh? I see. Korean? What is that? What language is that? I don't know. Hello. Smile and wave in the camera, boy. Smile and wave. Good. It's okay, you don't have to make any noise like those ones. Hi. And you walk so slowly, like you have very in tune energy there, like a human, right? Nice eyeball. Hello. Look what I have. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Oh, that's perfect. The sun is right there. Oh, beautiful. Why are you by yourself in your cage? Where's your friends? It says Amazon Parrots with an S, not T. So where's the other one? Where's the other one? Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh. Okay, bye. What an interesting... Wow, look at those locks. What the? Is he coming out from there? Oh, he does come closer to you when you come this way or that way, so... he must understand something. Oh, you look better here. Hi! You have something on your legs? You have a necklace? Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. I talk more to animals than I do to humans. What about you? Huh? He's so cute. Can you fly? Can you fly? You can talk. Hi. Hello. Hello. Huh? Huh? Yeah? Se habla Japanese? Huh? 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 Oh, wow, look at that raised. He's balancing his chakra. Nice. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I'm hiding from you. You can't see me now. Can you see me? Are you? Can you see me a little bit? A little bit? No! Peekaboo! 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 You won't see me now. You won't see me now, eh? Peekaboo! Hi. Meow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Gotcha. Simon says. Simon says. Oh, you're so pretty. Simon says you're pretty. You guys, there's your key. He said hello. There's your key. You can unlock this place. Isn't it weird that they give them the keys right there to escape? Isn't it? That's so weird. And but the lock is like outside of the cage, so he can't. He can't. Did you hear that? He's talking now. He just needs to warm up a little bit like a human. Oh, hi. Hello. He knows how to talk. That's amazing. How? Wow, wow. 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 What are you saying? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What is that? I don't understand. Is it Japanese? Yeah, that's Japanese, Korean, Chinese. Yeah, that's what he's... Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Yeah. You can talk. Can you sing? What? What is he saying? Up, 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 up. He's saying up. Up, up. Up, up. Thanks. Thanks for playing. You can go now. Lol. I'm sorry for... Okay. Oh, okay. See you. All right.